Sendai in this beautiful park, chasing the cherry blossoms. I got my outfit ready. Oh, sorry. From top to bottom to match the cherry blossoms. And come with me.
So, we are now in this nice park. There are not too many of these, how you call it?
Cherry blossoms.
I think maybe it's, I don't know if it's too late. We have some of them are down there, so they're nice. But here, there's not a lot of them. It's more like a normal park.
I mean, I didn't expect all of the trees to be cherry trees. But I expected a little bit more, but we haven't explored the whole park yet, so maybe on the side there is some more.
Yeah. I see some cherry blossom. Look at that.
Cherry blossom! There's a map and it shows where the blossoms are. There's two different types.
So we are here. We need to go all the way to the, like, kind of the entrance we were. So that's this way.
Good.
We found some more cherry blooms, or how do you say cherry blooms?
Blossoms.
Blossoms. They look nice. Hello. Different kind of tree blossoms.
This is kind of nice.
Hello.
Hi.
Oh. You fell one down.
Really?
A little one.
Sorry.
Oh my god. Looking for some
Tissue
tissues
paper.
because of allergies. Found one?
Oh yeah, this one. How much is it? Wow, that's dude.
That's expensive. 40 francs. For this.
IC カードをタッチまたは差し込んでください。
大丈夫です。
注意ください。
Bought tissues. ありがとうございます。Hello.
Hi. We're having lunch now in this restaurant, and we're going to try some meat, or let's say rice balls.
Looks good. We got this. I got these with beef, and she got one with salmon and soups. So you get, like, if you order one, you get all these together, like these extra things, and we got 2 Cokes. The price is not that bad. I mean, I think it's about 1,400 yen per meal. So
10 francs.
yeah, maybe a bit more than 10 francs per meal. So it's not bad.
Okay, we're first time buying something from a machine like this. I'm going for this.
She wants Pikachu.
Yeah. I wanted to have this one as well, but I'll go for Pikachu. Hopefully. got this one.
You got that one. Pokemon store.
This bus tours around the city for about 1 hour, 20 minutes. It departs every 30 minutes on weekdays.
So, this was the local tourist bus company. I don't know, on this bus like for 80 minutes, and it was fun, but I think we didn't think about the time because it takes 80 minutes, and every time you get off the bus you need another 20 minutes to see the place. So we just stayed on the bus for 80 minutes, paid the whole thing, didn't see anything outside of the window because it's raining, and I got a nice umbrella because it's raining, you see, like you can see there. Yeah, really small seats. My knees hurt. But now we go eat. Namaste.
By the way, we still didn't buy a jacket for me, so I'm double layering the scarf, everything, and I'm still freezing.
We found a place to eat, and because we learned it from the last video how to use these machines. So you pay, and then you can choose what you want, click the button, get a receipt, and then go inside and eat.
Okay.
Twice this.
One more. There we go.
Nice.
Hi.
So what we didn't know is you need to stand in this restaurant.
She gave us these, the one that single-use ones.
Oh, I got these.
And also a spoon.
Spoon.
Yeah.
Nice. So how was the ramen?
It was the soba with crispy chicken something. It was really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were super hungry. We were thirsty. It was just the best meal that we could have.
And the cool thing is, it was like we paid how much?
1,060 yen for
Together.
both.
So it's like we get a full ramen with chicken for like each $3-4. It's crazy. Like, it's really good.
Hello everyone from Sendai. This is our last morning. We're about to check out. Sendai is such a beautiful city. Unfortunately, we were only here for 2 days, but we also used this time here to arrive in Japan, to just soak it all in, and luckily I was successful and found a jacket, so I won't be freezing anymore. And also Filip got a haircut, his first haircut in Japan. Up. Yeah.
It worked out. I mean, we didn't understand each other, but like, I showed him a picture and he kind of did it good. But I love the Japan, like how they do the haircuts, like washing, a little quick kind of massage vibe, and the price is still the same. Like you don't pay extra for that, so big plus.
And we also got a little present from him, something that you use for the onsen, those hot springs, like a towel that you apparently put on your head. So that was really nice from him. But yeah, our train to Tokyo and then Kyoto is departing in an hour. So we have to leave soon because there's like a 20-minute walk to the train station. Alright, that's it. Bye!